Today, the 22nd of July 2024, I woke up to something that's very surprising, something that Sonos never ever done before, which is releasing their app on a Monday. Usually, any upgrade, any update, they're all done on Tuesdays. And on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I had to go to app and click update. And a few moments later, as you can see this in real time, the app is now downloaded, updated, and ta-da! It's done and ready to start. A couple seconds later, the app is open. The app is now being populated. It's still taking a while before everything is populated, but when it's done, it's done. And this time around, when I went to manage an update for the speakers, there is no firmware update needs to be done to any of the speakers. And I casually checked my TruePlay, and I don't hear any difference between the previous TruePlay and this week's version of the app. So far, I have played with the app for about 4 hours time, and I have encountered zero problems thus far. So far, so good. Everything's stable. I think you can download and update this program with confidence. So that's all for today. Share your thoughts and findings in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.